Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Now, listen. If you ain't already subscribed, I don't know why. Because there's a subscribe button, like right down there below, that you can click. And click the notification bell, because I don't want you to miss me. You know what I'm saying? I don't want this to end. So make sure you hit that notification bell. And on your way in, out, in the middle, hit the like button and let YouTube know that you're liking what I'm putting down. All right, so this video is going to be about the one planner challenge that we did in May. I just want to recap and kind of update you guys on how it went. And you'll see my video, Shay's video, and Keisha's video, and Tarchelle's video. You should see all of our videos coming up just to let you know how we did with the one planner challenge and what we implemented, the things that we saw, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Okay, so as you guys know, I was in my A5 Foxy Fix, which I absolutely love her. Like, she's just everything to me. And I was using the Erin Condren inserts. So some people may think this is like cheating because you said one planner, but no, like, let me explain. I use the A5, and I also had a B6 I was carrying around as a wallet, which had about 6 or 7 inserts, some of which were in here as well. So I was kind of repeating information. And then I had my budget planner that I was carrying separately. And then what else did I have? I feel like I had one more. I kind of condensed it down. Oh, and then I also had my work planner. So by the end of the day, I was at least with 4 planners that I was using on a consecutive basis that I probably could have condensed. So what I wanted to try was trying to condense it because I did like the size of the A5. It gave me the right amount of space to write in. Plus, I just like the look of it and the feel of it. It was right on task with what I think I carried when I was a little bit younger. Like, it's that personal feeling that you get when you have this one. I love my B6. Don't get me wrong. My B6 is bad, okay? But there are some things I need to write down and need more space for, and this gave it to me. So I switched into this cover. I think you guys saw that at the beginning of the month. I previously had a black one, but I switched into this one to make it more springish, and I am in love with it. I still need to restring it. I told you guys that before, but it works for me. So my inserts and stuff, again, people may think that I'm cheating, but I'm not, because I literally combined everything into my TN, and that's basically what a traveler's notebook planner does. You're able to combine the different inserts into one and carry around one thing instead of having a bunch of different planners in one. So what I did keep inside of here, I had my weekly planner, my weekly planner, and then I have my dailies, and that one was in the front. So right now I just have a daily planner in here, and it has the months, and then it has the days in here, and I just literally write everything that I'm doing down in here. And this is my new one. This is my April. I would need to locate my March to show you guys my March one that I use, but I used it every single day of the month. Like, even if I just wrote something down that was minimal, I still used that planner, and I loved it. I loved having the weekly overview from the insert from Digital Dashbox and doing the dailies. The dailies are what really get me through because it adds that extra touch of things that maybe I didn't plan for. Like, for instance, it just shows the different things that I have to get done on the to-do list and things that, you know, need to be shown, all of that stuff. I really like this daily, and I don't think I'll give it up unless they come out with that form for the B6 version, and that may make me go over to that way. So what I also keep in here is my budget planner. And this is the part that I really enjoyed, was having my budget planner with me every single day. I could check in, I could write my notes whenever I needed to buy something for the shop. It was right there. I didn't have to worry about, you know, going home and tracking it later. I could literally write everything down again. And that brought me great joy. Now, I was kind of concerned when I went to this one planner. I was like, well, how am I going to keep my cash envelopes? Because I normally had kept them inside of my B6 planner. So I actually keep my cash envelopes back here in the back, and it just fits in this nice little folder part, and all of them fit back there, and it's hidden again. So you don't know that money is back there unless you know. And so then again, I now have a wallet. So I also have the online shopping tracker. I believe that was in the last one. It should have been if it wasn't. I had this in my mini and my B6, and I liked having it there. I was able to just track all of my shopping, and that's important for me because not only do I do like shopping, whatever, but I do a lot of reviews, and I like to make sure that I'm marking down the things that I've got and when I got them, how long it took, just so when people ask me, well, was their shipping time very long? Well, for me, it wasn't that long, or for me, it was that long. I'm able to see that. Or how expensive was it? How much did I spend? Just a quick way for me to see everything. So I do like that in there. And then back here, I have a monthly planner, which is where I plan out pretty much all of my YouTube or social media type things, all of that stuff goes back here, and I cross things out and I plan things and I put them where they need to go and highlight and all of this stuff, things that I was working on in March. And this was really good to have to just keep me on track with what I needed. I have like a notes page back here, things that I need to get done and work on, video ideas and all of that stuff. So that is all right there. And then I have an extra insert back here that says all things Elaine Michelle. And this is just like a planner for writing down my like my things that I'm getting into, videos that I want to post, blogs that I want to post, anything. It just kind of breaks it down into one. So I have my notes there and I'm able to see what I need to be talking about and make sure I don't miss those key things. And then back here in the back, this is just my notes page, and this just has, right now it's just housing everything Planning a Better Me. I house that back there and I need to keep it with me every day. I made a little clip to go in here and I just keep it on the back of this insert, and I just add a pen, whichever pen I'm feeling at the moment, which is one of the pens from my shop. I know y'all seen them there. So overall, how did I feel about the One Planner Challenge? I felt like this was good for me to see that I don't have to have all the things. It kept me in here. It kept me focused. It kept me where I needed to be because I had everything right here. I found myself being more on task. Even when I missed things, like my days go crazy, right? Because it just never fails. Things go different ways and all of that. But I found that because I was writing things down in here on a daily basis, and the way that I was writing them and the things that I had in here, I literally had to check at least once a day. I was checking my planner at least once a day because I had my cash envelopes in here, my budgets in here, my planner, my actual daily planner is in here. All of that stuff is in here. So it made me more aware of what I had going on and just kind of kept me in the loop of my life. And so even when I would miss something, I would go back and like, oh, okay, I need to do this, or I need to get this done. Okay, this still needs to be taken care of. I still see it over here. Let me transfer it over here. Those types of things. It kept me accountable by having the one. I found myself when I was using multiple ones, one would have one thing in it, the other one would have something else in it. And then let's say one day I decided not to grab my A5 and I left it at home. Then I didn't have the information I needed that was in my B6. And I'm telling people, well, wait, can I get it to you when I get home because I don't have my planner on me, that type of thing. I didn't have that problem this time because I always had my planner with me. I always had my notes with me. I always had my budget with me. I was able to see what I could afford and what I couldn't, what I can do, or you know, whatever. All of that stuff was in one place. So I would say give it a try. If you're a person that's been using multiple planners to fit your multiple lifestyles, I understand because some people need that to do and it helps them to stay organized. But then I find that it also is helpful to have something, a system, something like this, even if it's rings or if it's, I mean, a happy planner, you can kind of do the same thing as well. But the Traveler's Notebook for me just really came clutch because I can fit all the things into one and have everything I need with me. So definitely try to do that. You can take your inserts out and put a certain amount of months in and have everything you need right in one planner, but everything is right there. So my 1 month planner challenge went good. The only thing I added towards the end was the Hobonichi weeks. And I think I'm going to be using it. One, I'm an influencer and I need to see what it was all about, okay? Two, I like the fact that it's small and compact and it's really, really quickly on the go type things. Not really sure how I'm going to use it just yet, but I know that I like it. And I know that I want to try to incorporate it, even if it's just for planning out the videos that I say I'm going to do. It could be a great like social media planner. I'm not really sure how I'm going to incorporate it, but I know I want to, and that may bring me to 1.5. Because I mean, it's a Hobonichi, you know, it's this big. It's not taking up a lot of space, but even still, like, it's not a necessity or something that I have to have, but since I have it, I do want to try to use it and try to utilize it and see if it could even work for me to be an everyday carry. So yeah, that's the 1 planner challenge for me. Let me know how your 1 planner challenge went. Do you even think you can do the 1 planner challenge? Did you even give it a try? I want to know below. Did you succeed or did you fail? I was really nervous, to be honest, in the beginning. I was very nervous about it because I just had been so used to having those multiple planners. And it's crazy because I went from having 1 planner to having a whole bunch of planners. And literally I couldn't tell you exactly what was keeping them up. And if I missed a week in one, how did I do in this one? Like, it was just a lot. It was just a whole lot of. So anyways, let me know down below how you feel about the 1 planner challenge. Don't forget to check out Chakisha's video, her lovely plan, and check out Shay Budget's video as well as Tarchelle's video to see how they did on their 1 month planner challenge. And again, let's try some of these different things. Let's see, are we really using all the things that we are saying we need? I need this planner. I need this sticker book. Are we really using it, or are we sitting there hoarding it, or we're just getting it because it looks pretty? Ask yourself them questions and get back to me. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!